Hi everyone. Da-da-da-da. This is my very first advent calendar. So I just bought it for me here. Yeah. There are some gift voucher here in this advent calendar. So they have like 1,000 gift voucher and 200, 100. So I'm hoping gift voucher for my new desk. Wish me luck. So, and there's some delicious looking chocolate inside. Look at this. And I already checked. They have like less marzipan. I think they have no marzipan here, and I love it. I hate marzipan. I'm so sorry if you like, but I don't like marzipan. And they have a lot of really delicious looking and yummy tasty looking chocolate. So I bought it because I never bought any advent calendar in my life. So wish me luck. I hope I get some voucher, but anyway, you will get 5 franc gift voucher inside this box, so that's okay. So let's start with the 1st December. Is here. What is this inside? Let's open it together. Da, 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 da. Oops, I love this. But, oh my god, look at this. Let's try it together. What is vanilla truffle? Da, 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 da. Let's try it. I like it. Wow. This is white chocolate with vanilla flavor. A little bit vanilla flavor. Oh wow, it's so tasty. I love it. And this is the 1st December. So we will open for the next one, for the next video.